Welcome 12th science students, subject chemistry. From this video we going to start an important topic, chemical kinetics, and from that today we going to learn rate of chemical reaction. Video presented by Mr. R.G. Taure, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Let us start topic chemical kinetics. Student, there are three important characteristics of chemical reaction. That is most important characteristic. Feasibility of chemical reaction. Feasibility that explain whether the chemical reaction between two substances are possible or not. It is not necessarily that two substances always combine to give product. If two substances combine together to give product, that is chemical reaction occur, that is the reaction is feasible. Whereas two substances, they do not combine to give a product, that is the physics. There is a not feasibility of that chemical change occur between that. That is not feasible. Second important characteristic of chemical reaction, that is extent of chemical reaction. Equilibrium constant, which is helpful to predict the extent of chemical reaction. If the reaction between two substances is take place, that is feasible, then how much the reaction is proceed at equilibrium, that explain the extent of chemical reaction. And third important characteristic of the chemical reaction, that is rate of chemical reaction. If a reaction is feasible, that is thermodynamically favored, it will not necessarily that occur at measurable rate. Some reaction occur slow, some reaction occur at moderate rate, whereas some reaction occur at very fast rate in short time. There are one of the important branch of physical chemistry. It includes photochemistry, surface chemistry, solid state chemistry, thermochemistry, chemical kinetics, and electrochemistry. Also various branches of the chemistry. Let us see some example of the reaction. Rusting of iron, which occur at slow rate, burning of fuel, and third one, photosynthesis reaction. First, rusting of iron, that is fresh iron react with oxygen, atmospheric oxygen in presence of moisture or water droplet. It produces rust. This reaction occur at slow rate. It require few weeks. Second one, burning of fuel, that is combustion reaction. It occur at very fast rate and in short interval of time, that is fraction of second. Whereas third one, the process photosynthesis, that is green plants containing chlorophyll in presence of sunlight absorb carbon dioxide and produces oxygen and glucose, that is food. This reaction occur at moderate rate. So all the three processes are the chemical reaction, but what is the difference between these three reactions? That is the rate of chemical reaction. First one is too slow, second one is too fast, and third one occur at moderate rate. So what are the factors affect the rate of reaction? Before that, we will study rate of chemical reaction and the factors in topic chemical kinetics. Let us see the definition of chemical kinetics. It is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of chemical reaction, factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction, and the mechanism by which the chemical change occur. In chemical kinetics, the rate of the chemical reaction is determined. The factors affect the rate of chemical reaction. There are various factors that affect the rate of reaction. On changing that factor or controlling the factor, the rate of reaction is controlled or determined. And during the determination of the rate of the reaction, the mechanism, that is the step-by-step description of the chemical reaction, can determine. So that is also determined in the chemical kinetics. Let us focus the importance of chemical kinetics. Biological important. There are various biochemical reactions occur in living organism. They must occur at proper rate. In human body, there are various biochemical reactions occur, and large protein molecule called enzymes to control that chemical reaction. या जैव रासायनिक अभिक्रिया आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये ज्या होत असतात त्या नियंत्रित करण्याचं काम हे एन्झाइम करत असतं. दिस एन्झाइम द कंट्रोल दिस इफ that biochemical reaction not occur at suitable rate, proper rate, there is a disturbance occur in the body. So this reaction must occur at proper rate. So that is the importance of chemical kinetics biologically. Let us see example regarding environmental importance. You know, the ozone present in the stratosphere now deflected day by day due to the polluted from the pollution. So there is in the stratosphere there is a deflection of the ozone. Also the formation of the ozone is occur, and there is the equilibrium must be maintained, but because of the pollutant there is a deflection of ozone is more than that of formation of ozone. So what is the environmental importance? Regarding the ozone deflection, it must maintain the equilibrium between ozone and that of formation of ozone. Third, economical importance. In various chemical industry or industry, there are large number of chemical reaction or occur, and that chemical reaction must occur with suitable rate to produce product. The economy of the industry depend upon the formation of product from minimum expenditure. जास्तीत जास्त प्रोडक्ट कमीत कमी वेळात कमीत कमी खर्चामध्ये उत्पादित होणं हे त्या इंडस्ट्रीचं एम असणार आहे. सो हियर ऑल्सो द रेट इज इम्पॉर्टंट अँड दॅट मस्ट बी कंट्रोल द इकॉनॉमी ऑफ that industry. So there is a large importance of the chemical kinetics in the chemistry field. Let us see the rate of chemical reaction. Reactant react, produces product in the given time. During the reaction, there is a change in the concentration of reactant in the given time it produces the product. So as the reaction proceeds, there is a decrease in concentration of the reactant and increase in concentration of product in the given time. Let us see. 1 mole of reactant A react together to produce 1 mole of product B. Concentration of A is written under square bracket. म्हणजे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन जे असणार आहे एखाद्या रिएक्टंटचं ते स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहायचं, जसं मेन्शन केलं आहे. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ ए, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ बी इज that is in square bracket B at time t1, initial time, the concentration of A is A1 in square bracket and concentration of B is B1. As the time proceed, it reaches to T2, the concentration of A1, that is A, decreases to A2 and that of concentration of product B reaches or increases up to B2. Student, keep in mind, at time T1, the concentration of A is A1 and B is B1. Reactantचं concentration A1 पासून A2 पर्यंत डिक्रीज होणार आहे आणि प्रोडक्टचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन Bचं B1 पासून B2 ला इन्क्रीज होणार आहे. Decrease in concentration of A is denoted as delta A is equal to A2 minus A1 in the time interval delta T, T2 minus T1. म्हणजे T2 minus T1 या टाइम इंटरवल मध्ये रिएक्टंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन डेल्टा A इतकं डिक्रीज होणार आहे. Meanwhile, the concentration of product B it increases from B2 minus B1, that is delta B, in the same time interval delta T, that is T2 minus T1. The rate of the chemical reaction is explained either in terms of reactant or either in terms of product. Let us see the rate of that chemical reaction in terms of reactant A is equal to minus A2 minus A1 divided by T2 minus T1, which is equal to minus delta A divided by delta T. The negative sign indicate, ह्याच्यामध्ये जो निगेटिव्ह साइन आहे that indicate there is a decrease in concentration. रेट कधी निगेटिव्ह असू शकत नाही, पण डेल्टा A ही व्हॅल्यू निगेटिव्ह येत असल्यामुळं ते कॉम्पेन्सेट करण्यासाठी तो निगेटिव्ह साइन इंटू निगेटिव्ह दॅट इज प्लस येणार आहे. त्यामुळं जी व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे आपल्याला रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ही प्लस येण्यासाठी व्हेनेवर वी इंडिकेट द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिएक्टंट देयर निगेटिव्ह साइन इज देयर. In case of product, B2 minus B1 divided by T2 minus T1 is equal to delta B divided by delta T. Let us define the average rate of chemical reaction. आता जो आपण काढला that is minus delta A divided by delta T, delta B divided by delta T, that is the average rate. Let us define the average rate. The decrease in concentration of reactant or increase in concentration of product divided by the time interval of change occur. That is delta A. Let us see the rate of chemical reaction in terms of reactant. रिएक्टंटच्या स्वरूपात लिहित असताना निगेटिव्ह साइन द्यायचं मायनस डेल्टा ए डिवायडेड बाय डेल्टा टी, आणि जर प्रोडक्टच्या स्वरूपात आपण जर रेट ऑफ एव्हरेज रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जर इंडिकेट करत असेल तर डेल्टा बी डिवायडेड बाय डेल्टा टी. दॅट इज द एव्हरेज रेट. दॅट इज, आय रिपीट, द एव्हरेज रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज डिफाइंड एज द चेंज इन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टंट or product